Hey guys, if you want to see how I fix my brows, stay tuned. Good morning, guys. I will certainly drop the link to these pads. They are kojic acid and turmeric cleansing pads. They brighten and energize skin. So, one of the influencers that I follow, Christiana, she uses these, so I am going to use them for dark spots. Y'all already know this is my face toning mist from Beauty, which is the Dollar General brand. This is their vitamin C brightening serum. And their hydrating gel cream. So I'm not gonna do a full face today. I just had to come to y'all and show y'all. I went to my regular OG. Okay, guys, so get up real close. I was in Bloomington, back home picking up my daughter over last weekend, and I went to my regular OG, but her new girl did my eyebrows and took a chunk out of it. So just gonna show y'all how I fix my brow. Now, granted, I did go get microbladed 4 years ago when I was in the Dominican, and I know I need to go and do it again. The problem is, here in the States, they want to charge $400 and $500, and I had already had them done, and they were done perfectly. They just needed to be touched up a little bit. Now I'm at the point where they definitely need to be redone completely, and I'll be okay with paying the $400 or what have you once I find somebody close. I don't care for this Morphe pencil. I prefer the one that's smaller than this one, but this one will do. So Okay, as y'all see, I'm just going in with those vertical strokes. And then I got my spoolie. I do have a date night look that I need to do for y'all, but I'm getting ready for church right now, so I'm going to record and upload that later. I'm doing a bare minimum face today, so y'all know I do this concealer on my lid, so nice. And y'all already know this is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate, and this is C12. And I use this for my brow as well. Okay, y'all see? And then I'll take my setting spray and blend in this concealer here. Okay. And I need to go to the beauty supply and get me a, because this is how much I have left. But I have a gash that I cut in my eyebrow when I was probably about 6 that never grew in. So I like to go in and fill that in and then make the tail to my brow. And then sometimes, if it's looking a little, I'll go in and fill. Just do a couple of strokes like that. Then I'll go back in with this and make everything blend. And just take this. Ta-da! Okay. All right, y'all, that is gonna be my face for the day. Ouch. Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Gel. Let's see. What's with Jesus? My glasses. Can you wave at the same time?